All right, so I still have to find omega 3, which equals omega 4, and I have to find the velocity of A. And there's a couple different ways I could do this. Probably one of the easiest ways would be to go back to this fact that I know what V23 is. Okay, that's the same as VB2 right there. And so I can use the fact that I know this is going in this direction. I know the velocity of V23. I can think of 2,3 as a point on length 3, and that will give me V23 is equal to R2313 times omega 3. I know V23, that was 43 centimeters per second. I measure R23 to 13. And that is 7.7 centimeters. And so I can find omega 3 is just 43 divided by 7.7. And so that's equals 5.58 radians per second. Now, the direction of that, okay, 2,3 is going this way, 1,3 is right here, and so 2,3 I think is in motion around 0.13, and so that would be counterclockwise, and so omega 3 and omega 4 have to be the same because of the slider, so both of those are 5.58 radians per second. All right, so the last thing I can find is going to be VA, and I have a couple different ways. I know the omega 4, so I could find the distance from 1,4 to A, since it's a point on both link 4 and link 6, or I can find the distance from 1,6 to 4,6. And so I'm going to take it with respect to 1,6. And so that'll give me a distance of 4.5 centimeters times omega 6, which is 8.47. And actually that's the same numbers I had for VC. So VA is just same distance away as VC, and so they're going to be both 38 centimeters per second. Okay. Now, there are lots of different ways to solve these problems. Every one of these calculations, or almost all of these, there are choices about how I could find them, and there are multiple ways I could work my way through this system to find the answers that I need. And so, as long as you're careful about your measurements, you should get similar answers. You won't get identical answers doing it different ways because there is a little bit of measurement error that gets compounded by the multiplications and divisions. And so the best answer, the best approach always uses the fewest steps between your given information and your final answer. All right, I hope this helps, and we'll post this soon.